Okay, let's talk about what's happening right now, because there is a massive shift underway that's completely reshaping technology and finance. It's all being driven by a new kind of AI. So in this explainer, we're going to break down what's really going on and, more importantly, how you can go from being a builder of reports to an architect of intelligence. And really, this is the question for anyone in finance right now, isn't it? As AI starts becoming the doer, the one running the numbers and building the reports, our roles have to evolve. And look, this isn't about being replaced, not at all. It's about being elevated. And the scale of this change, it is just staggering. Gartner is predicting that by 2026, we are going to see over 25 billion AI agents in use. Just let that number sink in for a second. Billions of these autonomous services, completely changing how work gets done in pretty much every industry. To put that into perspective, within a year, AI is expected to write up to 90% of all the routine code out there. And that tells you something loud and clear, right? The value is shifting. It's not about the manual labor of pulling data anymore, but about designing the smart systems that do all that pulling for you. This right here, this is the perfect way to describe it. It's a tectonic shift. We're leaving behind that whole world of static dashboards. You know, the ones you have to constantly refresh them, dig through them for one little insight. We are now entering an era where conversational AI just brings the insights directly to you, proactively. For fields like accounting and finance, this isn't just some small update. It's a full-blown revolution. So what is the tech that's powering this whole revolution? Let's pop the hood and look at the engine of this new era, Agentic AI. All right, first up, AI agents. Now, I want you to think of these not as just passive tools, but as proactive digital teammates. These are autonomous services that can actually find data, understand what it means, and then act on it, all without you needing to write a bunch of custom code for every single little task. Now, the second really key piece of this puzzle is something called Retrieval-Augmented Generation, or just RAG for short. This is the secret sauce that makes AI trustworthy enough for finance. See, instead of an AI just guessing an answer, what we call hallucinating, RAG gives it an open book test. It literally forces the AI to look up the facts from your specific, verified data before it even thinks about responding. This means no more guessing, just verifiable, rock-solid insights. And when you put it side by side like this, the difference is just, well, it's night and day. On one side, you've got the old world, manual data pipelines, writing SQL queries, building charts one by one. And on the other, you have this new world of agentic intelligence, autonomous discovery, automated reasoning, and getting your insights just by having a conversation. So it makes sense that this new world, powered by these agents, it's going to demand a new skill set, right? Your value completely shifts from doing the analysis yourself to orchestrating the AI that does it for you. You become an AI champion. Just look at this evolution here. The role is changing from the ground up. It's no longer about that grind of manual data work. Now, it's all about high-level strategy, identifying where agents can make a difference, prototyping how they should work, and then measuring their performance to drive real business value. So you might be asking, okay, this sounds great, but how do I actually get these skills? Well, this is where having a structured path is absolutely essential. And that's exactly why we're introducing the 10-week AI Financial Analyst program. It's designed from the ground up to build these exact skills. And here's what that journey looks like. We start with the fundamentals in the first couple of weeks, making sure you really understand agentic compute and RAG. Then we dive into data mastery, where you'll build the RAG pipelines that make AI so trustworthy. By weeks 6 to 8, you're not just learning, you're actually developing and securing your own autonomous agents. And then finally, we bring it all together by teaching you how to manage and prototype these AI projects using agile methods. But here's the thing, this is not just about theory. The whole goal is for you to build real, tangible projects that you can actually show off. Projects that prove you've got the skills for this new era of finance. Yeah, this is not just about learning, it is about building. You are going to walk away with a complete, end-to-end AI agent that can take in and analyze financial documents. You'll build a secure digital portfolio to show off your new skills. And maybe coolest of all, you'll build a conversational digital twin of your own professional profile. An AI that can basically act as your personal career agent. How cool is that? And you'll be building with the latest and greatest tech. We're talking core frameworks like RAG, serverless databases like Upstash, and deploying everything super fast on platforms like Vercel. You won't just learn about the tools that are defining the future of AI, You'll be building with them, hands-on. And this is so crucial. Your existing skills as an analyst, they don't just go away, they get supercharged. You'll still be using core practices like sprint planning and retrospectives, but you'll learn to see them through this new agentic lens, focusing your strategic brain on deploying autonomous services, not just reports. Okay, so let's bring this all together. It's time to stop being just a user of tools and to start becoming the architect of these intelligent systems. This is your new role in this new era of finance. So if you're going to remember 3 things from our talk today, make it these. First, think agent first. The future is all about autonomous services. Second, this is about minimal coding for maximum impact. Let the AI handle the grunt work so you can focus on strategy and design. And third, these are the skills that will absolutely future-proof your career and put you right at the forefront of this whole transformation. And who is this for exactly? Well, it's perfect for accounting students who want a serious competitive edge before they even graduate. It's for business analysts and data stewards who are looking to evolve their careers. Really, it's for any professional who sees where things are headed and is ready to be a leader in automating insights with AI. Which brings us right back to where we started. Now that you've seen the shift, you understand the tech, and you see the path forward, the only question left is the personal one. With AI agents as the new builders, what will you become the architect of?